Hello everyone, I hope you had an enjoyable weekend and I hope you're excited for a new week on Schoology. There are some activities that I'm excited to share with you for this week and we'll get to that, but before we get there, I do want to give you some updates regarding Schoology. So let me start off by saying thank you again for another successful week. I really appreciate the great work that I'm seeing from everybody. Please keep that up. What I wanted to say next regarding the work is that when you're doing the reading logs, please make sure that you're adding as much detail as you can. I'm noticing that a lot of people are doing this, so please keep doing that. But for the people who aren't, please make sure you're telling us as much as you remember from the stories that you're reading. When you click on that link, what did you read today? Click here, okay? I wanted to show you how to check your messages and also how to check for feedback, because I'm noticing that some people may not know how to do that or may not be doing that consistently. And those are two places that I'm able to communicate with you through Schoology. So first, let me show you where to check for messages. I'm going to go to the Schoology page. Again, the icon that you would click on to check for your messages is this envelope that I'm circling right here. So it looks like I have some messages that I need to check, so I'm not going to click on it. But if I want to check my messages, I'm going to click this icon. And this is where you're getting information from me or any other teachers who are trying to reach you through Schoology. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to check for feedback from work that you've turned in. So I'm actually going to go back to the archives. This is where all of the old assignments are going to be stored from Schoology. You can actually go in here, see the old work that you've done, as well as the feedback that was given to you by me or another teacher. So I'm just going to click on the folder from this past week. Okay, and I'm going to click on Monday because I know that that has reading assignments in it. Now let me see. All right, I'll click on where it says, click here to practice finding what your spelling words mean. So again, I'm just doing this to show you what feedback from me can look like. So it can either be in the form of a message, or it can be me sending you a response directly in the discussion post. So most times when somebody posts something, if I see that everything is correct and looks good, I'll just say something like great work or great effort, thank you. But if there's more that I want to see from you, I'm going to send you a separate message outside of this one. So for this person, I did say, please see the message I sent you. So that's when you would go to this icon and look for a message from me to see what else I wanted from you regarding that assignment. Okay, so the next thing that I wanted to talk to you about was actually how to check for archived work. So I'm going to show that to you one more time really quickly. Let me go back to Schoology. Again, the archived folder, let me go back one more time. The archived folder has all of the assignments that you've already completed in the past. So I compiled them in one space so that when you're on your Schoology page, everything isn't chaotic and hard to find. So all of the old work is in this one place in this white folder called Room 16 Archives. So that's going to be the folder at the very bottom of your page when you log into Schoology. Okay. The last thing I wanted to talk to you all about was what's happening this week in terms of assignments. So let me just go into the April 20 to 24 folder. What you're going to do is on Monday, click on the Monday folder, and I have a link for you to click on the feed for our school. So if you click that link, that's going to take you to all of the messages from all of the teachers, all of the staff at our school. So at the very top right now, there's a message from Miss Checo, but if you scroll down, you will see messages from other teachers, including me. I believe there was a message from Mr. Shorza to you all last week. So please make sure that you are clicking on that link where it says click here to check Cinco's feed, because that's got valuable information there as well. After that, you've got your typical assignments for reading, the fluency practice, the spelling, the vocab. This week we're looking at making and confirming predictions, and we're actually going to do a writing activity this week. You're going to get to write a recipe, and we're going to put all of your recipes into a cookbook. So we'll talk about that more as the weeks go on. We'll take a few weeks to work on that, okay? Let me get to the Tuesday folder, because Tuesday looks a little bit different. Tuesday, you've still got your special, you've still got the after you're finished, what can I do? The math will be here for Tuesday. There's a new social studies assignment for this week. So we're going to be talking about how to read maps and globes. And there's going to be not just a read along, but also an interactive activity that will happen later in the week regarding Google Earth. Wednesday, you've still got the reading assignments. And then remember, by Friday, your goal is to have as many of the assignments as you can possibly do completed by 3 p.m. So you can go back and catch up on anything that you didn't get to on that Friday. All right. As always, if you have questions or you have any concerns, you can reach out to me using the message icon on your Schoology page, or you can have your family reach out to me through email or Class Dojo. I will be in touch with you as the week goes on, and I will talk to you later.